on behalf of Grid India, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to NPTI for its invaluable contribution to the growth and development of our nation's power industry. My association with NPTI goes back to 1988 when I started my career in system operation. We had a tributary of the NPTI Power System Training Institute at Bangalore. So when I begun my career in system operation, the first time I went for a 2-week program at the Power System Training Institute. For those who are not aware, it, it was actually set up in 1972 as a Load Dispatch Training Institute, and then renamed as the Power System Training Institute. And it was wonderful. That was my first 2-week program there. And later on in 93, I still recollect, we had a 5-week course exclusively on power system protection, So spending 5 weeks at PSTA Bangalore, one can very well imagine, and the interaction, it provided a very wonderful opportunity to interact with all your peers in the industry, and the quality of the programs was really quite remarkable. We had very good video training material also during those days, and they really covered a wide spectrum of the power system operations. Friends, we all know that power sector is the backbone of economic progress and societal development. Earlier, we used to have many hours of load shedding, but today, load shedding, it's really, one can very well imagine the chaos that would happen with widespread load shedding in any part of the country. And so reliable operation of the electricity grid, that continues to remain a challenge, particularly as we navigate the energy transition. So NPTI has a very key role to play here, in equipping people, because ultimately it's the man behind the machine, as they say, which is very important. In fact, NPTI has been instrumental in shaping the careers of thousands of engineers, system operators, and other power sector professionals. So the system operators' work is deeply intertwined with NPTI's mission. In 2011, NPTI was appointed as the nodal agency for certification and training and certification of system operators across regional load dispatch centers, state load dispatch centers, and NLDC. So we started out with the basic certification program and then moved on to the specialist areas like reliability, logistics, regulatory affairs, power market operation. And since then, NPTI has conducted 19 certification examinations, and approximate 3,000 system operators have been certified as on 31st March. In fact, the last weekend, we had the 12th power system basic certification exam, and it was attended by many of the operators around the country, and I have been very closely associated with this entire certification process. What started as a voluntary certification system is now mandatory as per the CA standards, and all this has come out of more than a decade of experience in this area. In fact, if you recollect, even earlier, even when the NERC was set up in the US following the 1965 blackout there, certification started as a voluntary measure, and now after the 2005 ERO Act in the US, and NERC is a statutory reliability organization, now certification is mandatory there even since 2005, so there is a full-fledged reliability standard on operator certification. So CA also has amended the safety standards to cover mandatory certification for system operators. Apart from that, so as we say, we consider NPTI as our Gurukul, and we are all grateful to NPTI for the contributions made to Grid India. We could come up to this level over the years with the interaction that we have had with NPTI, and we cherish that. And apart from that, I think Dr. Tripta Thakur, she did mention about the role played by NPTI, in fact, in shaping the future workforce of Grid India by training our executive trainees during their one-year induction program upon initial appointment. The foundational course equips them with essential technical knowledge, operational insights, and leadership skills, ensuring that they are well prepared to take on critical responsibilities in grid operations. I would also like to mention the exceptional leadership of Dr. Tripta Thakur, Director General of NPTI. Under her progressive vision, NPTI has undergone a remarkable transformation, introducing innovative modules, modernizing facilities, and strengthening collaborations across the power sector. Her efforts have brought new life to NPTI, reinforcing its role as a premier institution in power sector learning and development in India and outside.